Morning again. This work today is carrying on with this text about the oil spill. You did really well on yesterday's questions, so let's hope you can carry on with that today. Oil in thick clots hemorrhaged out of her. Every wave carried some of the Barrer's cargo ashore and daubed it on the rocks, on the weeds, on the sand. Hour by hour, the Barrer broke up. Though the sea was rough, a black ring of calm lay around the stranded ship like an evil spell. The coastline, wild, beautiful, and little visitors now, withered. The oil crawled in at the noses of the seals and the gills of fish, larded the seabirds which landed on the flattened oily waves, scalded all the fronded sea plants, fish eggs and shrimps. Crustaceans let go their grip on the oily rocks and rattled away like black pennies on the seabed. So quite vivid descriptions there in that last paragraph. And these are your 3 questions. So your first one you can see is the vocabulary. What do the words hemorrhaged and daubed mean? Both of those you're going to need to use a dictionary to get their exact meaning. Make sure it's nice and clear in your answer. Retrieval question. A black ring of calm lay around the stranded ship. Well, what is the black ring? Read in the text, and you may have to go into that first paragraph, even if it's in the second, to help you establish what the black ring is. And then your inference, what is the purpose of the list within the third paragraph? So that very vivid description of the oil crawled in the noses of seals and the gills of fish, etc. Why? What's the purpose behind it? And what is the reader meant to identify about it from that paragraph? So think of the impact maybe it has on you, which would help with your explanation. And then your extension, the coastline, wild, beautiful, and little visited to now. What does this tell you about Garth's Ness and the impact the oil spill will have? So that's an exact quote. The coastline, wild, beautiful, and little visited till now. But what's the impact of the oil spill going to have on that? And do refer to the text in your answer. And then we can have a look through these at 11:30. We'll see you then.